Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a new AI tool called Whisk AI, developed by Google. To access it, simply search for Whisk AI, or check the link in the description below. Keep in mind, this tool is currently only available in the United States. If you're located outside the US, you'll need to use a VPN to access it. Once you're connected to a VPN, refresh the page, and you'll be ready to sign in. The tool only supports Google Sign-In, so click on that option to proceed. After signing in, you'll land on the Whisk AI homepage. With this tool, you can remix images to create something uniquely yours. It's an incredible tool designed to remix images and create unique designs, from digital plushies to enamel pins and stickers. Let's try creating a sticker. After a few minutes, the result is ready. Once you have your design, click on Open the tool to make further changes. The interface is intuitive, giving you plenty of options to refine your creation. And yes, you can easily download your masterpiece when you're done. Want to adjust the size? Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to select the aspect ratio that fits your project. If you click on the Inspire Me option, the tool generates a random subject, scene, and style for you to explore. Don't like something? No problem, you can easily delete it and try again. You can also upload an image directly from your computer or use a text prompt to create entirely new images. After waiting a few moments, I've got the result, but unfortunately, it's not displaying. Looks like there's a small issue here. Let's go back and see what's happening. Oh, I see, I need to log in again. Once logged in, I'll head to the My Library section. And there it is, our New York City image created earlier using a prompt. Now, let's start fresh. I'll give the tool a new prompt for a scene, style, and subject. After a short wait, the results are in. At this point, I can download any image, delete it, or even recreate it if needed. But let's take it a step further. I'll now give a prompt to remix these images. Here are the remix results. I can download them as they are or refine them further. Let's pick one and refine it to perfection. And here's the final result. That's how you can create images from text and refine them as much as you want using Whisk AI. The possibilities are endless. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.